This tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect to and use the app Movenote. Movenote is found inside of your Google Drive. Inside of Drive, click the Create button, and at the bottom select Connect More Apps. When you do, all the apps that are available to you will load. The easiest way to find Movenote is to search for apps and type in Movenote. There will be several different choices for Movenote. You always want to select apps that have an education version available. If they do, select that version for your classroom. Choose Connect. Once you choose Connect, Movenote will connect with your drive. It will now be located underneath Create. When you click on the Create button, choose the app. This will open the Movenote presentation. Google will ask to connect to some of your basic information. Choose Accept. And you will come to this screen. It will ask if you want to connect with an account or just use your already created Google account. Choose to connect with the Google account you already have with the Farmington R7 School District. To do so, click the button that says Create Account. This will automatically use your current email address and password for your Google account at school. Accept the terms of use, and you'll be ready to use Movenote. Turn to your drive, and again, choose Movenote Presentation. This is just the initial setup. From now on, every time you want to use Movenote, you'll go straight to Create and Movenote, and it will work just like this every time. Movenote will ask for your permission to use the camera. Make sure you allow permission. You'll notice at the top of your screen on the Chromebooks that it will ask for you to allow the camera and microphone again. Sometimes it's easy to miss this gray bar. Make sure you choose Allow in order for the program to run correctly. Once you have done so, you will notice that your picture pops up on the screen in the Movenote camera box. Movenote is easy to use. You simply add slides that are already on your computer, and they can be slides from a presentation like a PowerPoint or a Word document or a spreadsheet, or even pictures that you have saved to your computer. Or even better, you can use anything from your Google Drive that you already have created: presentations, docs, and spreadsheets. Here I'm going to record a presentation for my class using a PowerPoint that I've already created in Drive. I'm going to select content from my drive. This will load a box, and the easiest way to find what you'd like to use is to type in the name in the search bar. Here's a PowerPoint presentation that I've already made. I can select it, and it will automatically load into Movenote. Once your content is finished loading, it will appear on the screen to the left of your camera image. You can add more slides at any time by selecting them here. You can also go through your slides to make sure they're in the correct order. If they are not in the correct order, you can choose Reorder. This will allow you to rearrange your slides. Make sure you choose Save Changes. If you have slides you want to delete, you can drag them down to this area and they will no longer be in your presentation. When you're ready to record, choose the Record button. Movenote will count down 3, 2, 1, and now you're recording. As you talk about your slides, you can use the arrow buttons at the top, or you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move through the slides. Movenote is simply you talking about the pictures to the left of your image. There is no mouse that will show up. You can click with your mouse and hold, and it will make a red highlight point. But other than that, nothing will show on the screen besides the slides. You can pause at any time, and if you're satisfied, you can choose Save and Preview, or you can resume, or you can start over. Once you have recorded your Movenote, it's done. There is no editing of the Movenote. When you choose Save and Preview, it will convert your presentation. You're able to play the presentation to see and make sure it is correct. And once you're satisfied and you want to share it with others, you can simply send it out with Gmail. There is also a link that you can copy and put on your blog or web page. There's some other options available, such as adding a link, changing a background, and renaming your presentation. This is where you can also delete the Movenote or get the embed code to take the Movenote and put it onto your blog or website to play automatically as an embedded video. Once you have your presentation named, it will store in your archive section so you can access it later. Remember, to get back to your Movenote from your drive, you would choose Create Movenote, and this would take you to here and you could select on your archives. Once your video is in the archives, there are some other options available to you. One of the options that now becomes available is to download your Movenote as a video. If you choose this option, Movenote will download as an MP4 file. This file that downloads will be able to upload into YouTube if you would like to convert the video to a YouTube video and share it that way. The advantages of having your Movenote as a YouTube video is you can now put it inside of a My Big Campus lesson or bundle that your students can access at school. That is how you use Movenote. If you'd like to see what a completed Movenote looks like, go ahead and click now, and it will take you to my actual presentation that I used as an example today, but made for my students in class.